Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can create a shared calendar in your Samsung phone. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply open your calendar application on your phone, and after opening your application here, you have to now go to the menu bar that you can see on the top left corner right here. So after tapping on this menu bar here, you can see the settings icon right here. Tap on the settings icon. And after tapping on settings icon, now what we're going to do is scroll down until we see the option of manage calendars. Here you can see under the more settings, there is the option of manage calendars. So tap on it, and then in here you can see currently the Samsung account is turned on. If it is turned off just like this, you're going to tap on this toggle button and turn it on just like this. So after making sure that the Samsung account is turned on, you can now tap on the create shared calendar that you can see right here. So after doing that, now we're going to name this calendar. So you can simply just name whatever you want according to your preference. For now, I'm just going to simply randomly name this, and then you can also choose the color. So also I'm going to choose this color. And after doing that, here you can see there is the option of create. You can tap on create. So after doing that, you'll get this pop-up where you can choose whether you want to simply share the link or choose the contact or add a Samsung account. So if you tap on share link, there will be a link copied to your clipboard. But if you tap on choose contact or add Samsung account, there will be the option of choosing from your contacts. Here you can see there is also the option of default edit permission. If you tap on it, here you can see there is the option of invited people who can only view, or if you want other people to edit it, you can simply choose the option of people can edit. For now, I'm simply just going to choose the view. And after doing that, here, if you want to share it right now, you can simply just tap on these options. But if you want to share later, you can tap on later. So after tapping on later, here you can see we have now successfully created ourselves a shared calendar. Here you can tap on this. And from here, you can even edit the calendar as you want. And here you can see there is the option of shared with. So you can tap on it. And currently here you can see I am the leader of this calendar. And you can invite up to 99 more people on this calendar. If you tap on it, here you can see you can get your contact and you can select the person that you want to share this calendar with. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can create a shared calendar in your Samsung calendar. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.